Jeff has a feature right now on rest stops. I remember rest stops including Stuckey's.
Yeah.
And that was part of the rest stop thing. So let's hear your rest stop feature.
Highway rest stops, also known as safety rest areas, Mike, or SRAs, have an interesting story. Safety rest areas were constructed as part of the U.S. interstate highway system, which was created in 1956. These rest areas were envisioned as off-road respites where motorists could take a break during their journeys. They were designed to provide essential amenities for travelers, including clean restrooms, drinking water, and picnic grounds. Safety rest areas were initially referred to as roadside parks or waysides. Early rest areas were meant to be more than just functional. They aimed to create a sense of place within the interstate system. They wanted to be a part of it, and when you travel, you want to be a part of that road. Architectural themes were central to the design. The toilet building set the theme, which was reflected in other structures like picnic and informational shelters. When you go to a state park, you got the big board and they got all the directions and everything. That's what that is. So these sites became unique expressions of regional flavor and modern architectural design, often reflecting the local culture of that landscape. Picnic shelters sometimes took an exaggerated expression of elements becoming forth functional and sculptural. There's a lot of sculpture in this stuff. Travelers passing through South Dakota, Oklahoma, or Texas had the opportunity to eat lunch under the grand teepees.
Man, I don't know where you got those pictures, but that ain't nothing about what you're talking about.
Well, there you go.
I want to know where the grand teepees are.
Well, you just hold on to your seat there, Emma. The limited access nature of interstate highways meant the safety rest areas were often only contact travelers with the regions and passing through their normal area. Before the interchange of businesses like the Stuckey's and the Buc-ee's were being developed, the rest areas placed both roadside parks and roadside stores, so that kind of put them out of business. So despite the disappearance of the legacy of the rest areas, that remains in place where travelers once paused, stretched their legs, and experienced a slice of regional character along their journey. And there you go. There's the shot of the day.
Nah! The blue outhouse.
The blue bonus shot.
Thank you so much there Jeffrey.
Go.
I like the teepee.
I went there. I was in Wharton this past week twice, and I stopped on the side of the road, put the flashers on, and took a picture and sent it to Mike.
Is it still open?
It's still there. It's more of an RV. The front part has the teepees, and I don't know the history of how they rent them for or anything. But in the very back, there's a whole RV section of campers driving.
Well, if I'm thinking of the same place.
Yeah, you are.
That I-10 wasn't what it is now. And that teepee motel was there.
It was 59 in Wharton.
Oh, 59 in Wharton. Yeah. Oh, okay. Because there used to be a teepee motel there on I-10.
Oh.
Yeah, we used to have one in Port Neches, actually, because of the main run that went down to the refineries and stuff in there. Mm-hmm. And it's been long gone. But I do remember that. I always wanted to go stay there, but we didn't. We only lived a few blocks away.
Would never go there because I guess it was too expensive or something.
And we were just blocks away at the time. I mean, so why do you want to go down? Yeah.
Well, there's that.
Well, but I remember the fact it was a functional.
Talk to the boys at Hot Rod Tour and make that a stop next year.
At the TP Motel.
Yeah, I think I don't know how many. There are 9 or 10 TPs, and I don't know how big they are. They're quite small. They don't look inviting for a traveler. I think they're more of I don't know what you want to call it, but I wouldn't stay there.
You wouldn't. No. You'd think that there may be somebody hiding behind one of the teepees to come out.
No, it's just I don't think
you.
it's. I can't put my finger on it, but I wouldn't stay there. I'm going to just.
I know exactly where you're going with this. I'm trying to make you say it.
No, I'm not going to.
The TP Motel down at the Hooker Highway. I got it.
No, I didn't say that. No, I just. Does it look clean? Does it look?
I know. They were lacking when they were built to begin with. Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Well, I did want to remind everybody that today's In Wheel Time Car Talk Show is sponsored by the group of original Loopy Tortilla restaurants in Houston, Beaumont, and College Station. Also sponsored by Gulf Coast Auto Shield and Pro-Am Auto Accessories. Mm-hmm. We will continue with the In Wheel Time Car Talk Show right after a quick...
Okay, it's going to be number 2.
A quick break.